The Kuni clip-on fan rechargeable emerges as a crucial tool for maintaining optimal cognitive performance in various settings, with Cornell University research indicating that office temperatures above 77 degrees can lead to a CE drop in productivity. This versatile fan becomes more than just a comfort device. It's a productivity booster, featuring a powerful 10,000 mAh battery that provides up to 24 hours of cordless operation. This 2-in-1 fan adapts seamlessly to diverse environments. There are many desk fans for every budget to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best desk fans for every budget from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Lem Desk Fan. The Lem Desk Fan is a revolutionary bladeless design that prioritizes safety for babies, kids, and pets while delivering powerful airflow. Its innovative fluid dynamics technology amplifies air volume, producing a soft yet effective breeze through a large slope turbine silent air duct. This fan is perfect for creating a quiet, cool atmosphere in bedrooms and offices. Adding a touch of ambiance, it features 5 colorful LED lights with gradient effects to suit your mood, doubling as a gentle nightlight for children. The fan's clever physics and aerodynamics multiply the air intake, resulting in energy efficiency and reduced noise. Silicone pads on the base ensure stability during operation. Number 2. Honeywell TurboForce Fan. The Honeywell TurboForce Fan is a versatile and powerful air circulation solution designed for both table and floor use. With its compact size and 90-degree pivoting head, this fan offers flexibility in placement and airflow direction. Despite its small footprint, the TurboForce delivers impressive cooling power that can be felt up to 27 feet away, making it suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. The fan features 3 speed settings, allowing users to customize their cooling experience. Its aerodynamic turbo design maximizes air movement, providing intense cooling or energy-efficient air circulation as needed. The TurboForce operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption in bedrooms or office spaces. With a robust 185 CFM airflow, this fan optimizes comfort while potentially reducing energy costs. Number 3. Triple Desk Fan. The Triple Desk Fan is a compact and versatile cooling solution designed for various environments. This 5.1-inch mini fan packs a powerful punch with its 4 wind speed levels, including sleep, cool, strong, and natural modes. The natural mode intelligently alternates between low and high speeds, making it ideal for office use and sleeping. Powered by a robust 3,600 mAh rechargeable battery, this fan offers impressive longevity, running up to 14 hours on a single charge. Its USB compatibility allows for convenient charging from various sources, including phone chargers, laptops, and power banks. The fan's small size and lightweight design make it incredibly portable, perfect for use at home, in the office, while camping, or during travel. Despite its compact dimensions, the Triple Desk Fan delivers strong airflow to combat hot weather effectively. Number 4. Dr. Prepare's Small Desk Tower Fan. The Dr. Prepare Small Desk Tower Fan is a versatile and powerful cooling solution that combines portability with performance. This innovative dual fan features a pivoting and oscillating design, allowing each fan to tilt up to 270 degrees for precise airflow direction. With a 105-degree horizontal wide-range oscillation, it effectively circulates air to combat stuffy environments. Despite its compact size, this tower fan packs a punch with its high-performance motor, delivering powerful airflow across 3 variable speeds to suit diverse cooling needs. The fan's portability is enhanced by its built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Charging is convenient via a 5-amp 3A power bank or the included USB adapter. Whether you're working at your desk, relaxing at home, or enjoying outdoor activities, Number 5. Kuni Clip-on Fan Rechargeable. The Kuni Clip-on Fan Rechargeable is a versatile and powerful cooling solution that combines the functionality of a clip-on and desk fan. With its impressive 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this cordless fan can operate for up to 24 hours on a single charge, providing uninterrupted comfort without the hassle of wires. The fan's robust 3-inch clamp allows for secure attachment to various surfaces, from desks and treadmills to nightstands, making it ideal for diverse settings. Equipped with 3 8-inch blades and advanced technology, this fan delivers strong airflow while maintaining whisper-quiet operation even at high speeds. This feature ensures a peaceful environment, whether you're working or your baby is sleeping. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.